Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I will show you how to equip camo in World of Warships. World of Warships camo is mostly cosmetic. They don't usually do a lot in-game, but it makes your ship look cool. What you have to do first is make sure you are in your port and not in battle, as you cannot equip any cosmetics while in battle. What you have to do next is select the ship that you want your camo to be equipped on. And then next, go up top here and click Exterior. Here you can see all the camos that you can equip and you can buy. Select one that you like. And click on Link. Click on Yes. Then after clicking Yes, your camo will be automatically applied on your ship. And that is how you equip camo in World of Warships.